Hello, my name is Sharingan, and this is my first video exam. For my first video exam, I chose to do the inheritance of the Mangekyo Sharingan amongst the members of the Uchiha clan from the manga/anime series Naruto. The Mangekyo Sharingan is an eye pattern that enables the wielder visual powers in the ninja world from Naruto. A short disclaimer before I begin is Sadara Uchiha right here has not yet been confirmed to have the Mangekyo Sharingan in the show, but the information in the following pages will account for that. So this first page, I've outlined the members of the Uchiha clan that I will be talking about. We got parental generation, we have Fugaku and Mikoto Uchiha, and they had two sons and a daughter, Itachi and Sasuke Uchiha, and Black Uchiha. Black married Kiba Inuzuka, and they have Hige and Mimi Inuzuka. Sasuke married Sakura Haruno and gave birth to Sarada Uchiha. Below these illustrations, I've made a more traditional pedigree so more people can understand what I'm talking about, and I also have the possible modes of inheritance summed up right here. I'll go into more depth. So the second page is a more in-depth analysis of why the X-linked dominant is not a possible mode of inheritance for the Mangekyo. I have the genotypes of the individuals that invalidate this mode of inheritance outlined in red. As you can see right here, these are what they would have to be, but is impossible. For example, Itachi, all the way over here on the left, has to have inherited the Mangekyo Sharingan due to the proof from the show. However, his genotype would have to be Y with the affected X chromosome, which is impossible because the mother does not have an affected X chromosome, and the father would have to give the Y. And here's just the normal pedigree. So this third page, I've outlined an in-depth analysis of why the X-linked recessive is a possible mode of inheritance. Here you can pause the video to see for yourself all the possible genotypes of the individuals in the pedigree. However, keep in mind that Sadara Uchiha still hasn't been confirmed to have the Mangekyo in the show. This fourth page, I have outlined the autosomal dominant mode of inheritance and why it is a possible mode of inheritance for the Mangekyo. You can also take a pause here to see for yourself the genotypes of each individual. This fifth page has the autosomal recessive and why is a possible mode of inheritance for the Mangekyo. You can also pause here to see the specific genotypes for yourself. And finally here, the sixth page, I have the Y-linked mode of inheritance and why it is a definite contender. To explain the inheritance of the Mangekyo so far in accordance with the show, you can pause here, see all the possible genotypes of the individuals. And that concludes my first video exam. Thank you.